Alright guys, here's the second part. Got my motherboard, T8970 Biostar, video card, GTX750 for the win, 1 GB. It's my CPU. It's the 8-core, 3.5 gigahertz. It's a 1 terabyte hard drive. It's got a Wi-Fi adapter there. PCI Express. So 1 stick of RAM for now. 8 gigs. Single 8 gig stick. I'll get another one in the future. I have 16 gigs. It's a cheap fan. And Samsung drive. Yeah. So that's all the parts. I'll get them in the case, and then I'll do a final done build. Alright guys, I finished the build. I didn't film any part of me actually building it because it's my first time I've ever built a computer, and it just took me a long time to get everything ready. I just took my time, and yeah, I didn't really want to film, I guess. So it's up and running now. Just got YouTube up on the screen right now. Yeah, got the optical drive there. Got an LED light bar going across here. Power, reset, some USBs and whatnot. Came with some stuff there. Back. I actually had this Wi-Fi adapter at the PCI Express, but it's not working too good. I don't know. For some reason, I think it's just a cheap Wi-Fi adapter. Everything else, my phone, my MacBook Pro, everything else picks up the Wi-Fi, but I think this is just a cheap adapter. I don't know if I'll get a better one. Right now, I'm actually running Ethernet cable to my computer. I can use the Wi-Fi on this and go it out from there. I did a speed test. This is getting about 40 megabits per second, and my PC with this Wi-Fi was only getting about 8. So yeah, I just basically taking the Wi-Fi, stealing the internet off my MacBook there. I'll open her up. It's running right now, so you'll hear some fans and stuff. There we go. Let's pop that off for now. Yeah, all the mess here, just excuse that. I just focused on getting it built and plugged everything in and make sure it worked. I'm going to clean up everything. So here's inside. I did a little cable management. You know what? I'll get a flashlight. I did a little cable management. It's not a very fancy case, so can't get much done. Got an 8 gig stick of RAM in there. Got my 8-core AMD. Got a fan there. I got a fan on the cooler, and I got a fan on the front. I got a Western Digital 1 terabyte drive, just blue. Got my EVGA GTX750 for the win, FTW. You can see the Wi-Fi adapter in there. I don't know what I'll do. I'm probably just going to try to buy a new one or something. I don't know. It's a cheap power supply. Yeah, pretty basic build. Yeah. I don't know if there's anything else I need to say. Nope. But yeah, that's the build. I posted a picture on Instagram, DonovanL12. You can check that out. Follow me on Instagram. What else? Yeah. That is the build. I'm also filming with my new LG G3. I haven't posted videos in a while just because my old phone was broke. Yeah. I'm running Windows 8, 8.1, 64-bit. Yeah. If you have any questions, I guess, I mean, this is my first build, so I don't really know, but if you have any questions, I'll try to help out. Yeah, I might list all the parts and specs in the description. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Alright, peace.